Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was lying in my house while his both thighs or calves were exposed. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu asked the permission to enter. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted him the permission while he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in the same condition. And then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam kept conversing. Then Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu sought the permission to enter. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam accorded him the permission while he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in the same state. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam kept conversing. Later, Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu begged the permission to enter. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon sat upright and did his clothes. The reporter says, I do not say it happened on one day. Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu came and kept conversing. When they all had gone, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha submitted. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu came, but you did not move and care for him. Then Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu came, but you did not move and care for him. But when Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu came, you sat up and did your clothes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, why shouldn't I show modesty to him, to whom the angels alayhimus salam show modesty? Sahih Muslim Hadith number 6159.